welcome back to my channel. I've been going for like a year, and it's sad because I come back like every year and do a video. I need to get consistent, but y'all subscribe, please, because if you haven't, what you waiting on? You know you love this wig, and you know you love the way that I did it, so keep on watching more videos. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all how it looks on different sides. I ended up going with a right part, but I should have went with a left part because it was way cuter on my face. But also the middle was cute, but I always wear a middle part, so I was like, girl, it's time to try something different, okay? So yeah, right now I'm just trying to see how it's fitting on my head because I don't feel like it was big head friendly at all. Like my sides was having troubles trying to get glued down. So right now I try to cut in a zigzag motion, but it's like the zigzag just not working for me because it's still coming out straight. So I think next time I'm gonna try to use a razor and see if that comes out a more of a zigzag chopped up type of look, because I feel like the more chopped up the lace is, the better it looks realistic. But honey, ain't can nobody tell me about my plucking. Look at that plucking. Come through. It say it's pre-plucked, but I plucked it more because honey, I like to see scalp. I want to put my hands through it and see scalp. Okay. So yeah, right now. Oh, you get your got to be. I'm trying to keep up with the video. I'm getting behind, but I use got to be gel, and I just do one layer, y'all. I do not be doing all of that because in the back I already did the adjustable straps to kind of make it snug on my head. So I just put on a little gel on my synthetic ones because I feel like they don't need as much. And yeah, and then I also use the freeze spray. I guess I edited that out. So yeah, you want to put a little freeze spray. Put your little makeup on the lace, okay? Put your makeup on the lace because that's going to make it look even more melted, okay? And I usually go in with my darker shade around my perimeter of my lace. So yeah, and you're just gonna keep on doing this all around your head. You're gonna put some glue, put some little freeze spray, and blow dry it, okay? So it's very easy, and you always want to use cool air. Cool air kind of makes it sticky. It makes it it kind of, how can I explain this? The cool air helps it get sticky. Yeah, let's say that. And it's basically self-explanatory. Like, I don't want to talk too much. I'm trying to talk enough to not get copyrighted, but I'm pretty sure y'all understand what I'm saying without really saying anything. And if you're not good with the glue, you can do it as glueless, which is basically you using the back straps and tying it tight so that the wig is extra snug, and it just lays down on its own. And you just put you some edges out, use some got to be glue to lay the edges, and you can do it that way so you can take it on and off without having to worry about glue, because I know some people don't know how to really glue it down, and that's okay. There's other ways to do it, and if you would like me to show you that, just let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this is my favorite part, the edges. I usually do like natural looking edges, but this time I kind of wanted them to be more thicker. Well, not thicker, let's say more bigger, because I've been liking the girls with the big edges. Like, it looks super cute. So yeah, right now you're gonna see me pluck the edges because they too thick, so you want to thin them out. Yeah, you want to thin them out on just a little bit because you don't want no thick edges, honey. That's not cute. It's not cute at all. And the thicker they is, I feel like the thinner they is, I feel like the better, easier to swoop them too, and to make them look realistic. So that's the look I was going for. But if you like thick edges, nobody's stopping you. It's your hair. You do whatever you want to do. So that's all I have to say for right now. If I need to say something else, I'll come back on here. But before I go, I do want to say Happy New Year's. 2020 was a mess, and I just hope 2021 comes with better spirits and just better opportunities for everybody, because 2020 took our edges off, honey. This is an important part, so make sure you have you a scarf and wait about 5 minutes. And honey is going to melt that lace inside your skin, so make sure you get you a scarf. So as y'all can see, I do cut my edges diagonal. Like, it just makes it fall a certain way when you swoop the edges. So I recommend cutting the hair diagonal. It just comes out better. In my opinion, it does. So, and as y'all can see, the edges look good. So if you don't know how to cut your edges, I say do it that way and see how that goes for you. So in order for you to get that extra skin like blend, I recommend you to get like some makeup shades and just put it right on top of that lace. So what I do, I use my darker shade at the front, then I'll go in with my lighter shade through the party, and it just all comes together. You don't want to put too much, you want to put enough, but not too much to the point that it looks like makeup is up there, but enough to like make that little, because you know the lace sometimes be white, so it'll just look like an airbrush more look. And then I'll take my got2b gel to make a dent. So y'all know how Tay, his wigs look very crispy, so I feel like adding the got2b gel makes your wig look crispy. It defines it more, it make it looks more realistic. I mean, like, look at that, y'all. It gives it extra shine and everything, and it's just giving me like, it's giving me motherfucking virgin hair. I don't care what nobody say, it's giving me virgin hair, and it's giving me, I done paid a band on my hair. And that's what we wanted to give. We wanted to give money. Like, baby, we wanted to give virgin hair. I'm sorry y'all hear the fireworks, child. It's the night of New Year's and these people is out here acting a fool. But it's the end of the video and I hope y'all enjoyed it. Bye.